As of May 15, 2025, South Sudanese President Salva Kiir Mayardit is reported to be alive and actively fulfilling his presidential duties. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs and International Cooperation has officially dismissed recent rumors about his death, labeling them as false and malicious. Despite these assurances, concerns about President Kiir's health have been persistent over the years. Observers have noted instances suggesting cognitive and physical challenges. For example, during a regional summit, he reportedly struggled with reading his speech and made several protocol errors, which some attributed to age-related health issues. Additionally, an incident of urinary incontinence during a public event drew attention to his physical health. In response to these concerns, the South Sudanese government implemented measures to manage the president's engagements. In mid-2024, the cabinet restricted access to President Kiir, requiring ministers to submit formal requests before meetings. This move was officially described as an effort to streamline his schedule, though some critics viewed it as a strategy to manage his health-related limitations. Analysts suggest that President Kiir's health issues have influenced political dynamics within South Sudan. There are reports indicating efforts to secure his succession and marginalize political rivals, notably First Vice President Riek Machar. These maneuvers have raised concerns about potential instability and the risk of renewed conflict in the country. While the government maintains that President Kiir is in good health, the recurring health-related incidents and subsequent political developments continue to be a focal point for both domestic and international observers. President Kiir last night had an emergency health issues and was escorted to nearest health facility and was spent the whole night over there. Thanks.